In the setup section as well, for those that haven't seen it, we have added all the menu options, so you can now customize all of your different menu items, milestones, sources, pretty much everything except for category. Because we're using it in a special way, we don't allow you to do categories, but source, status, type, those types of things, you can now add and edit any of those that you want. For properties, there's all kinds of property things in there. If you need other garage types, add them in there however you want. Those types of things. Listings, same type of thing. Just pick which one you want, and it will be put in there. We did recently allow you guys to also on party members. Some of our Canadian folks said they don't have nearly the party members that we do down here, and they just were wanting to get rid of some. So prior to this update, I was not allowing them to delete ones that we had set up, but it doesn't really matter. You can delete them now. If there's some of these that you just don't use, would never use, you can go in there and delete them. The only ones you cannot delete is buyer, buyer's agent, seller, listing agent, and lender. Those are ones that we want to make sure are always there. So, but any of these other ones, if you don't use them, don't need them, you can get rid of them. If there's other party member types that you do want in there, certainly you can add them.